goodbye to Archie. He doesn't even know what's going on.
You know, Archie?
Archie, tell Lily and Fred I said bye.
That's not enough.
He'll tell him.
Maddie, I kind of feel you just scared. You're like scared of leaving. He's scared.
We're headed off for van life. It's our first night on the road.
You're scared.
Olivia's scared.
No, you
Not
are
me.
The one.
We were supposed to leave 4 months ago. It wasn't supposed to be this cold. This outfit was a lot cooler when it was planned for warm weather. Anyway, are you still rolling? Greater stuff's done. I need the camera back. We did the drive-off scene, all right?
When do I get paid?
I'll pay you when we get back, when we're rich and famous.
I love you.
Love you too. All right, see ya, Archie.
Pretty much like less than a mile from our house, so we just left and now we're eating the spot that we already had. The spot is Sichuan cuisine. Super good. And now we're headed back to van for our first day of van life.
First night, not first day. We spent the whole day preparing it.
Welcome home, Liv. The road is your home. Florey's. That was like the nicest friggin' convenience store I've ever been in. I wanted to have a show at one point, like rating convenience stores. Kind of like Guy Fieri's diners, drive-ins, and dives. We don't know what's gonna happen, you know? We don't know where we're gonna sleep tonight. We don't know, like, where we're even going.
Oh my god, it's all unknown.
I think Olivia just farted on the new life.
Me or you? Frig off, make the bed.
Here we go, guys. All right, Liv, ready for snoozing?
See you guys in the morning.
Morning, van lifer. We gotta hit the bathroom. Show you guys where we stayed last night. So this was us for the night. First van life stop. There you go.
Woohoo!
Here, we're gonna eat our breakfast or whatever. And at night, when we wanna sleep, we have a huge, big room. So I was super comfortable. I didn't want to get up, but then I heard that ringing in my ear. So, someone's speaking to us. We gotta get up, hit the road. We're van lifers. We're road soldiers! We're road soldiers, Liv!
Get out with green tea.
Trying to look very good for you guys. Drop a comment if she has any improvements that you can make on these eyebrows. Looks like we're getting some bubbles.
Wait till it cool down, put it away. It's a pretty nice here, too.
We just stopped at this welcome center in West Virginia, is it?
West Virginia, welcome you.
The craziest part is, 2 years ago, we were here on a road trip to Shenandoah, and now we're back here married with Sugar Cube, our van.
I'm not married, you.
Oh, she's single. Yeah, she's
No,
single.
I'm single.
I'm single too. Olivia's preparing the first road meal. Olivia's doing an advanced tactic. She's using the pot to warm up her leftovers. First meal on the road.
Yeah, but they don't let you wash dishes here.
Peanut butter J's, rice, and food. Got our solar running. Wasn't working at first, had to troubleshoot it. Turned out that it wasn't turned on. The switch was off. Now we're gonna hit the road and we wanna use our alternator charger, so we're setting that up for the first time. Got it all paired up and ready to go. And just sitting here in a couple minutes, already up 2%. It's getting dark. Let's get ready to settle down for the night, get a workout in, and start our new life. We just made it to Planet Fitness for the night, about to go in, get a shower on, and then find some place to sleep. Van life. We brought this thing down in the Ford Service Center, literally like 3 times. The lights just will stay on for a long time. Headlights are on, dash is on, and it's probably been about 3 minutes. The vehicle is just off. So we just drove around a little bit, made it to Walmart, And we got out here, the lights turned off. Everything's good right now. And we're gonna get ready for sleep. And got some cool tips on things to see in Winchester, Virginia, so stay tuned. Wondering if we should go grab a pack of diapers or just start using our toilet. So drop a comment, let us know. What do you think? What do you think the right call is?
Are you making? Is this video allowed to put?
Yeah, it's allowed to put. See, I didn't show. I didn't show nipple. All right. Good night, everyone. Wish us luck on the road. We're road soldiers.